because I don't have all my teaching resources with me, welcome to Phonics on the Fridge. So today I thought I'd explain to you one of our terms that we use in class quite a lot, which your children should be able to explain to you. We're going to look at sounds that are made up of two letters. These are called digraphs. So in class we say a digraph is a sound that is made up of two letters. Two letters make one sound. Two letters make one sound. Or two graphemes make one phoneme, make one digraph. So here's some examples for you. These are consonant digraphs. Z, s, sh, k, ng, and this one can also be said like this. One of the things we do in class is look in the mirror to look at how our mouths and our voices and our bodies feel. If you're saying the sound and they feel quite different. If you say it yourself, you can feel it vibrating across your lips, and it helps children to distinguish between the two sounds. Here's some of our background digraphs. E, A, ow, oi, which you might be practicing quite a lot while we're in lockdown, R, U, or. And one of our favourites that we do in class is this one, which your children should know, O, or in our class, oh, 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 it's magic. Notice as we say the sounds that you have to be really careful not to get the sound on the end. So if I say this one, it's k, there's no k on the end.